Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. October 17, 41, variant question number 8. And we have given topic is O-levels mensuration. So we have given surface area of the solid shape. So show the length, L stand is slant height, and the radius is the height of the cone. So surface area, so formula pi RL, actually cone has two things. We have base circle shape is pi r square. And the curved area is the pi RL. Some student ask, sir, why don't include this pi r square into that? Because it's back with a down hemisphere top cone. So this part is, we can't add here, okay? So if I ask you, can I paint the circle inside? No, I can't paint. I can paint curved area of cone, I can paint hemisphere. So which you can paint is called surface area, and which you can't touch is called not surface area. Come back. So pi RL. So pi RL, so let's find L from here, and radius is given here 2.5. So I'm writing here 2.5 times to L, 2 plus and 2.5 square, and surface area given by him 115 by 4 pi. You see pi here, and pi here. If I divide the whole equation by pi, so what happens? Pi cancel from here. I will get 115 upon 4. Here I will get 2.5 L. Here I get 2 times to 2.5 square. So if I bring it here, so 115 by 4 minus 2 times to 2.5 whole square, 2.5 L. So I am close to my answer. I will try the whole thing and then divide by 2.5. So let's see. 115 divided by 4 minus 2 into 2.5 square. 2.5 square. And it gives me 65 over 4. And here 2.5 L. Now it's go and divide here. So let's see what answer comes. So when L goes this there, so it means divided by 2.5, and it gives me sharp 6.5 L. So L is, I think I should write here. So L is coming sharp 6.5 millimeter. So we have proved our answer. So let's go for the next part. This was the A part. Let's go the B part. B part is asking, give me height. So this is called height, this is called slant height. So I will talk about this right angle triangle, 90 degree L, H and R. And we have two things. In front of 90, always called hypotenuse, okay? So formula of the Pythagoras Theorem is hypotenuse square equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. So L, we have L. L is 6.5. So I got a 6.5 square, and this is called height. And this is, we have R is a 2.5. So 2.5 square. It comes here 6.5 square minus 2.5 square equal to x squared. And when you bring x, the root here come on the top. Like this will give me h. And let's say what answer of h comes. 6.5 square minus 2.5 square. And the root of this, it gives you 6 sharp 6 millimeter. So this part is already clear. Okay. So let's go for the next one, volume of the solid. If we talk about the volume of solid here, so we have two things, cone and hemisphere. So let's talk about cone and hemisphere. So cone, if we talk about cone and then we talk about a hemisphere, okay? So let's talk about the volume. So volume is what? Of the cone, 1 by 3 pi r square time to h. And what's the hemisphere? Full is a 4 by 3 pi r cube. Full. But I need a half. So it means 2 by 3 4 pi r cube. So just simply replace the values. H is 6 and r is 2.5. 1 by 3 pi, 2.5 square time to 6, and 2 by 3 pi and 2.5 cube. So let's see what answer comes. Okay, 1 by 3 into pi into pi into 2.5 square into 6 plus 2 divided by 3 into pi and 2.5 power 3. So 3. So it comes answer 275 by 12 by, or answer decimal coming 71.9948. We don't want. When you add, it becomes 72 millimeter cube answer. Millimeter cube, because we're looking for volume. So this part also clear. And let's talk about the last part, the D part. This C part is over. So D part says this is simply cross multiply. How come? He given one link here. Let me read a link for. He said 1 cubic centimeter, this is equal to 19.3 grams. This given by him. Okay? He giving us a hint. What hint? We have two titles. Title number 1, centimeter cube. Title number 2, grams. Okay? But in this question, we have one trick we have. What? This full question in millimeters. So let's talk about the link. When I talk about the millimeter, so millimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 meter. So here when I would go here, divided by 10 and divided by 100, I think rest you know. I'm not just extra knowledge, and divided by 1000. You know the link. So whenever we go this way. So and what is asking here? He's asking, give me the volume of the well of gold. One more thing. He given two things here. First we have to find out the grams, and then we have to find out the dollars amount. So let's see. I will do in two parts, centimeter cube heading and gram. Now 1 centimeter cube equal to 19.3 gram. My question from you, is this centimeter cube? No. It is a millimeter cube, yes. So my question, if you want to convert the length, we have this area, so millimeter square, so here square. I think you got a point. But in case of volume, 3 here, so 3 here, so here must be 3. So it means if I want to convert in this, so 72 divided by 10 to power 3. Okay? Clear? Because I'm for volume converting, that is why. So it comes what? 72 10 to power minus 3. How I got it? I brought up. Power 3 down goes up, minus 3. So let's copy this value here. So 72 10 to power minus 3, here x, cross multiply, will give me grams. So let's see what happens. So 72 into 10 to power minus 3 times to 19.3. And it will give me answer in grams coming. So the mass, for example, we're getting here 1.3896 grams. Okay. Now next link is given the same question. He said here that 1 gram gold is $38.62. Repeat again. 1 gram, so here gram, here dollar. 1 gram gold is how much price? Let me check again. The price is given $38.62. 38.62. Sorry, $38.62. So this mass comes here 1.3896, and here A for amount. So cross multiply, and it's coming here simply into 38.62. And answer is coming here, the total amount or cost, we can say cost, C for cost. So cost is coming $53.666. So it becomes $53.7 total cost for the whole thing.